Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Be sure any stuffing that has been cooked, or ingredient that is cooked, is cooled completely before inserting into the cavity of the chicken. The chicken should not be stuffed until just before it is to be cooked, so that the risk of bacterial growth is reduced.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Cooking stuffed poultry, pork chops, and other meat can be somewhat riskier than cooking them unstuffed. Bacteria can survive in stuffing that has not reached the safe minimum internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, possibly resulting in foodborne illness.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Cook stuffing thoroughly. Bacteria can survive in stuffing that has not reached 165 degrees Fahrenheit and may then cause food poisoning. If you cook stuffing in the turkey, wait 20 minutes after taking the bird out of the oven before removing the stuffing. This allows it to cook a little more.
Take our lead.
It's important that your bird reach the proper cooking temperature so you kill potentially harmful bacteria, e.g. salmonella, that lurk in the meat and its juices. In the past, stuffing a large turkey has been linked to salmonella outbreaks.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Prepare stuffing. Use 1 package stovetop stuffing mix when cooking a turkey up to 8 pounds, 2 packages for an 8 to 12 pound turkey and 3 packages for a turkey 12 to 20 pounds. Toss contents of each box stuffing with 1 2/3 cups hot water and 1/4 cup butter, cut up. Let stand 5 minutes.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.